All right, welcome to the contractor pricing tool. This shows your real profits before you send the quote. So you're not underpricing your jobs, you're not losing money, and you're going to be, making money on every job. And this is going to double check everything that you do. Make sure you're priced correctly. So if you're a contractor, you're watching this video, you're going to definitely want to come on over and check this out. It's going to be very useful for you and your business. If you want this set up on your website, I'm going to show you how to do that at the end of this video. It should only take like 2 minutes. Drop dead simple. It doesn't matter how skilled you are. If you have no internet experience, you're not tech savvy, no problem. All you're doing is copying and pasting, and you can have this exact calculator on your site. And it is available on Etsy. And you're going to see the link right here on this exact page here. So the links are going to be directly below in the video description box or on the upper right-hand side of this video itself. So let me dive in here. Keep watching. This is a contractor profit and pricing calculator where you can stop guessing your markup, see your real profit before you send the quote. Fill in your costs, pick your trade, then use the target price unless the job has extra risk. And this is 6 tools in one. So there's a trade preset here. You can pick your what trade you're in. You got a general contractor, remodeling contractor, roofer, HVAC, plumber, electrician. And you can see all the different trades. We're just going to leave it here. It doesn't really matter on this, to be honest. You can put whatever you want. Currency, it's automatically set to US dollars. Then you got the job price builder, profit check builder, a markup versus margin price calculator, a break-even price calculator, overhead allocation calculator, and a labor burden calculator, and it shows benchmarks. So what we're going to do now is do a profit check. And this is it right here. This is markup versus margin. This is break even. Overhead allocation right here. You got labor burden. And so you can have this sitting on your site or come on over and use this for free on my site. That's fine as well. And you can, it's mobile. It's perfect for mobile. So what you can do is you can have your phone on you. If you're out and about on the job or heading towards a job, you can actually use one of these tools and, price out your jobs exactly. So you're not making mistakes. You're not losing money when you're on your way to a job. So what we're going to do here is put in a job name. We could type anything in here. It's just got kitchen remodel. We'll just leave that in. Customer name. You put your customer name here. John Smith. Estimator name, optional. Material cost, put in whatever cost for your materials. We'll say $5,000. Labor cost, how much you're paying for your labor. We'll say for the job, you got it priced out $100 an hour for maybe 3 guys, 4 guys, whatever you got, whatever it may be. Put that here for how long the job's going to take. We'll put $1,000. Subcontractor cost, equipment cost. If you got that, you can put that in here. Permit cost, disposal cost, other costs, travel cost, and you got job notes you can put in here. And it's going to do it in real time. I don't have to hit enter or anything, and it's going to come out with your direct job cost, your overhead, your contingency, your risk buffer, your bare minimum, and your target price, which says recommended. This is where you want to be with with what inputs we have filled in right now. And it gives you all this. Customer total target plus tax, required markup, minimum walkaway price, gives you everything so you're not underpricing jobs. And it's got pricing settings right here where you can adjust margin, overhead, and risk buffers. Defaults come from your trade preset. So you got overhead, desired net margin, contingency, risk buffer, sales tax. You can put in here, and then you click this button here, add sales tax to customer total. Say if you live in Illinois like I do, it's like 8%. So you put that in there. And then you see it shows up right here, sales tax. And then it gives you your recommended price. And then if you want to reset it, there's a reset here. There's a print or save report. There's a load example job. And there's a copy summary. Excellent, excellent tool. And you go to profit check, where you can check a price you already plan to quote, enter the price you intend to send, see what is really left after costs and overhead. You got this one simple. Total job cost, selling price, overhead percentage, contingency percentage, sales tax percentage, and then you click the button to enable the sales tax in your actual costs. and it breaks it down right here with direct costs, overhead, contingency. And you can see right here, if I put in the total job cost, it's all zeros now because nothing's filled out. As you can see, I put it in there. Selling price. I'm just going to make up numbers here. And then you can see how it fills everything out for you. And then if you want to reset it, click reset, start over, and you're good to go. Markup versus margin. Markup is based on cost. Margin is based on selling price. A 25% markup does not mean a 25% profit margin. And you're going to enter the markup percentage here. Margin to required markup. Enter the margin you want. See the markup you need to add on top of the cost. And it's going to tell you right here in a comparison table as well. And it tells you what this means by your numbers. Here is what this means. A 50% markup gives you about a 33% margin. If you only mark up by your desired margin number, you are leaving money on the table. You got a break-even one. Monthly fixed costs, where you got to include yourself. Many contractors forget to pay themselves, and that is how the business slowly bleeds out. You got monthly overhead, owner salary target, debt payments, vehicle costs, software and admin, insurance, other fixed costs, average gross margin, average job price. You just fill these out, and you're going to get your numbers, what you need to bring in, total fixed costs, and it's going to tell you everything right here. And you can see right here, it's just like the same as the other tools. You fill it in, and it's going to change to whatever numbers you're putting in here. Vehicle costs. And as you fill it out, your number is going to come in, and you're good to go. So very useful tool. Overhead allocation. Pick a method that fits how your jobs run. The calculator shows how much overhead to add to this job. You got method, annual overhead, annual direct costs, annual revenue, annual labor hours, job direct costs, job labor hours, expected job revenue. And it tells you right here how much overhead this job carries. Percentage of direct costs is easiest. Direct labor hours fit labor-heavy shops. Revenue-based fit shops with steady margins. And you got the reset calculator. Copy it if you want. And then finally, you got labor burden. This is for your labor costs. Find what an hour of labor really costs the business. This number is almost always higher than the wage. You put in the base hourly wage, payroll tax, health insurance per hour, workers' comp, other benefits per hour, paid time off percentage, non-billable time, target loss, labor profit margin, and it's going to come on over here. So you're paying a worker $25 an hour. Workers' comp, other benefits per hour, and you're going to get the true hourly labor cost, labor burden amount, labor burden percentage, billable hourly rate, labor markup needed, labor profit per hour. And this says, I only filled out one box. Says your labor burden looks low, double check payroll tax, workers' comp, and benefits. And then you can reset this and copy it as well. And finally, you got the benchmarks. General ranges for planning only. Adjust to your local market in the config block or my business settings. This is just an industry benchmark thing right here. Not a live tool, but we got 6 live tools here that covers everything to do with pricing your job. So you're not leaving money on the table. This is a great tool to add to your, if you have a website, you're a contractor. If you want to price jobs on the go, you're going to have 6 tools in one that's going to live on your website. And I'm selling this literally for $47. Great deal. And it's going to save you money over and over and over again. It's going to live on your website. You can use it every day. Take out your phone, pick which one you want, the job price builder, profit check. It's got 6 easy tabs right here. Put in your numbers, and you're going to know exactly what you need to charge, what you need to do to get to where your target pricing. So that's that. Link directly below if you want to check out this tool for yourself. It's going to be directly below in the video description box. And there's going to be a link to this tool I'm selling on Etsy as well. It's only, like I said, it's $47, one-time fee. It's a great price. Should be priced a lot higher, but I'm making it affordable for everyone. So if you want to check this out, links directly below. And this is self-install, but it's so easy that literally a 5-year-old can do it. I'm going to show you how to do this right now. When you buy the tool on Etsy, say you come over to my site, you punch in your numbers, you're like, hey, this is cool, very useful. I'm going to use this every day. I'm going to use this a lot. You can't beat the price, only $47. How do I get a hold of this? I want this. So you go over to Etsy, click the link, hit buy now. It's $47, very affordable. And then the first thing you're going to do is when you go into the file, there's going to be a a .html one. I'm gonna have a quick start guide. It shows you how to do all this stuff as well, so you won't be left in the dark. But it's gonna have an HTML one, and all you're gonna do is this. When you open up the guide, it's gonna come up with this. It's gonna be embed.html. You're gonna see the calculator. Now to put this on your site, all you do is right click. You're gonna click View Page Source right here. You click right click on your mouse, View Page Source, and you're gonna. I think it's been sitting too long. Let me try this again. We're going to reset this. All right, so it's been sitting too long. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go into the actual code here. And we'll see if we can pull this up one more time. We'll go to Downloads. And I'll show you exactly how to do this. So bear with me 1 second. This is literally very quick. And we're going to find my files right here, which is right here. So you're going to click on it and see where it says you're going to get these files right here. Calculator, embed, embedded code. I'm going to use that one. License, start here. So you got all the guides. Well, we're going to do the embedded code text document. And what we're going to do here is this is the code right here, which says style. All you're going to do is copy this. All the way down. You left click, you copy everything, and you're going to hold the left click button down and then aim down, and it's going to copy all the code. And make sure you get everything. Where it ends its script with the tag right here through it, that means it's all the way done. Now we're going to click copy right here. And then we're going to go over to our site. And I got my site, one of my sites up right now. So you're using WordPress, and this is going to work on any platform. You don't have to be using WordPress, but if you are, we're going to click Add Block. Click the plus button. And where it says HTML, we're going to click Custom HTML right here. And we're going to paste that code that we just copied. We're going to click paste. Boom, done. Save draft. Obviously, you're going to put a title in. We're going to put calculator. Contractor. Profit. Calculator. Let's spell it right. We're going to click Save Draft. And then what we're going to do now, we're going to click View Preview. And boom. It is loaded on your site and ready to go. You see the tool right there? That's how easy it is. And you're going to have a working tool, profit tool on your site if you're a contractor. Obviously, that's going to calculate every single pricing scenario you can imagine so you don't underprice jobs again. And it's the same way as I showed you before. And see how it works right off the bat. Literally took me 1 minute to do this. So no matter how tech savvy you are, as long as you know how to copy and paste, you can literally have this on your site in a minute or two, live and running. And it's going to be a useful tool that you can use over and over again. One other thing I didn't show you, it's customizable as well. This is kind of an important feature that I left out. That's my fault, but I'll show it to you now. It's a customized tool right here. You can put your business name in, your website URL, a logo. You can change the colors on this. Accent color, primary color. You can change the calculator default. You can enable sales tax by default. You can change the footer. You got trade presets and all that good stuff. And you got to, if you want to switch any of this in here, you just click Save Settings. You can also export the customized calculator. So you just click, you put in what if you want to change the color, put that in there, and then you click Save Settings, and it's going to apply instantly to to your contractor profit and pricing calculator. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video here. If you have any questions about this, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. Links are directly below, like I said, in the video description box. And if you're a contractor, like, you're really going to want to get your hands on this. It's only $47, a one-time fee, and it's going to pay for itself over and over again. As you can use this as much as you want. You don't have to pay recurring fees on it or nothing. It's just a one-time fee. You have it installed on your site in a couple minutes, and it's going to be very useful for you when you're on your way to a job. Price things out, make sure you get everything, the way you want it, so you're not undercutting and losing money on your job. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like. And like I said, if you have any questions, ask me below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.